Yeah, I got a sucker. So you guys decided to wake up, huh? I think I hooked him on the tail. Oh, you can't miss out on the sucker fishing. This is fun. Yeah. Oh, the sucker's going down river. Oh no! Got him on the tail. Yeah, it's a sucker. Hey, might not be a sucker. The fins are red. It's a cutthroat? I think so. I got him on the butt.
Oh, you got him?
Got him on the tail. No, just a fly. Oh, look at that. Yeah. And his butt bite too. That's the best kind, huh?
That's a big one.
You can't keep them anyway.
Yeah, they're 1 under 15.
Yeah, 115 and no, you can keep 2 under 15.
No, 215, 1 over 20.
But one can't be over. Only one over, yeah. Everything else in between you gotta release.
That's the first one you even got?
Yeah. Well, we've just been trying to figure out where we're gonna fish. Cause there's so many damn people. There's so many people here.
Honestly, I think we were better off fishing where we were last night.
You think?
Yeah.
You think you'll be doing better today?
I think yesterday we just got there too late.
You know what I think will be good? Down there. That's a really good spot down there, but there's a lot of people. Yeah. Oh shit. I was gonna take a picture of him, but yeah, just using that, one of those fly. Just catch it upstream and then let it float down. I guess there's parking up there too, where you can go to the other side, but you have to walk.
You got a bridge going up?
I don't know. Put a spinner on and catch suckers. Hey, sure. Wow. Oh, I got a snag. No, it's a fish. Ah. I guess that wasn't a snag. Snag a fish. Got one. Oh, wonder what it is. Oh, it's a big cutthroat. Oh, oh, that's a sucker. Come on, sucker. Oh, it's a big sucker. A big sucker. He ate my lure. Yeah, the big suckers ate my lure. Oh man. What the heck is that, man? Tangled up with the net. Don't move. Man. Okay. Oh. I think there's two different type of suckers in here.
Yeah, the goat and then there's one.
Yeah, that. That's a trout. Oh, hey, you got a trout. Ah, cutthroat. Yeah, it's a cutthroat.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty big. That's not small.
Really?
That's big. That's not small.
Yeah, it's like stop making around though.
Hey, grab it.
Huh?
Grab it.
Grab it?
Yeah, both hands.
I know.
Okay, you hold it tight.
Ooh.
Hold it tight.
Are you gonna measure it?
No, it's too small. You can tell. 22 inches is pretty long. But you can give it if it's under 15 inch. but that's longer than 15 inch.
Okay,
Oops.
you know, you saw me.
Yeah. They have less than 15 inch or over 22 inch.
I probably would have like a lot more, but they always get like.
Yeah, always get away.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, big sucker. Big sucker, big sucker. Oh, here we go. Ooh. Big fish. Feels like it's a big, huge fish. Yeah, come on. No, fight's too big to be anything else. Suckers, probably. Suckers fight pretty good. Yep, it's a sucker. I think you tie easy. Ugh. Boy, these ones got hit so many times, its belly's all red. Oh. Oh, we're on again. Ooh. Taking off upstream. Yeah, last time I caught one of these, I thought I got a snag. Yeah. Another sucker. Got him on the tail this time. Maybe the dorsal fin. Nope. The bottom dorsal fin. Ooh. Already on. Oh, that's a jumper. Big sucker. He ate it. I can't believe he ate my fly. Are you guys fishing? No? You should. A lot of fish. Oh, got off. Got him again. Oh man, this is, you can get tired of catching these things. Scasia landed another one. Sucker. You get tired? Oh, I guess we know who's been throwing fish. Huh? We know who's been throwing fish over the score. Yeah. What?
Bunch of suckers over there.
Oh yeah. Suckers everywhere. Maybe we ought to go find Uncle Chow and then go catch some rainbows. I wonder how they're doing. I don't know how they're doing.
So there's the big mountain.
We can? Well, look, there's a boat down there now. I don't think we're going to be able to catch one of those big, huge cutthroats. Got him. Sucker. Come on. Whoa. Look at this one. You can see him. Look like dolphin. Can you pull him in? He looks like a dolphin. Oh, that's that big one again. Oh man, this one feels like a snag. Must have got this one on the tail or something. It doesn't want to come in at all. Oh, probably gonna run downstream. Oh, there it goes. It's trying. I broke my line last time. I hope it's a big, huge cutthroat. Oh, it's going that way. It's gonna wear it out. Oh, there it is, right there. Whatever it is black. Oh, it's going downstream. Here, switch me place. It's running. It's running.
It's like, shit, dude, I want to go home.
I gotta wear out. Oh, it's not wearing out.
You just snap your line again.
Oh, he got off. No, he didn't though. He didn't snap my line. That's good.
That is terrible. I cannot cast over my left shoulder.
All right. Maybe the trouts are over here where the water's moving fast. Oh my gosh. Now the water flows too fast over there. There we go. Oh, it's a jumping. Usually suckers don't jump. He ate it. Look at that. Oh, you can add a reel use in. Reel use in. Oh, got away. I'm going to switch to a different fly. I got him. Oh, there you go again. It's taking it off. Taking it off downstream. Come on. Oh! Go up. Come on. Go up. Oh, there it is. It's coming. Ah, crap. Big female. Sucker, sucker. Ooh.